शिवा बर मोहि एहो शुभ कर्मन ते कबहू न डरो ना डरो अरस्यों जब जाए लरो निश्चय कर अपनी जीत करो.
Yomi is the first and only FDA cleared robot to be used intraorally.
Wow, look what you've done. We all recognize it. It's terrific what you're doing, and we wish you the best, and that's why we're here. We're cheerleaders for you. A couple of points. One with respect to with Fresno State. I'm a Fresno State alum.
It's a pleasure to have all of you here to share in this special occasion as we look back on how far Clovis Family Dentistry has come and look forward to an even brighter future. On September 1st, 2022, we embarked on a new chapter when Dr. Singh acquired Clovis Family Dentistry from Dr. Ray Lander. What started as a team of just 3 people, united by a shared vision of changing lives one smile at a time, has now flourished into a family of 14 highly skilled professionals. Team, we all love what we do here, and it makes me so proud to even say that we're finishing 2 years. Our commitment to using cutting-edge technology has been the key to our success. We're equipped with latest intraoral facial scanners, 3D printers, and just so much more. And one of the most exciting advancements we have introduced is the Yomi robot. Now, Yomi is not here to take over our jobs, at least not yet. Yomi is the first and only FDA-cleared robot to be used intraorally. It's a robot-assisted technology for dental implant surgery, and it's revolutionizing the way we approach these procedures. Yomi is a groundbreaking tool that helps dentists place implants with incredible precision. It uses advanced 3D planning and real-time guidance during the procedure to ensure that the implants are placed in a very accurate and pinpoint precision, reducing recovery time and improving the overall patient experience. So Yomi helps us work smarter, not harder. We're proud to be the second office in the 150-mile radius to offer this revolutionary technology to our patients and our community. Beyond technology and growth, we're also deeply honored to have been recognized by our community. Clovis Family Dentistry was recently voted Best of Central California in People's Choice Awards by Fresno Bee, winning gold in both dentist and cosmetic dentist categories. As we celebrate 2 years of growth, we're also thrilled to announce an exciting collaboration that underscores our commitment to the community. Clovis Family Dentistry is proud to be the official dentist for Fresno State Athletics. We really look forward to working together to support our local athletes as they compete and achieve great things both in and off the field. We're honored to have several distinguished guests with us today to help commemorate this special occasion. First of all, I would like to welcome representatives from Fresno State Athletics and Dr. Singh to share a few words with us.
Well, my name is Tim Slack. I'm with Bulldog Sports Properties. I'm humbled to represent Fresno State in this partnership. And you might have seen him for a minute. Garrett Classy, our director of athletics, was here to say hi, and then he had to run. I want to say, in addition to being humbled to represent Fresno State Athletics, I'm privileged to get to know Dr. Singh and Dr. Sharma over these last couple of months. And their support helps Fresno State Athletics, helps the Bulldogs do what we do, right? And what you're going to see over this next year as we begin this partnership is excitement. One of the first things he told me when we first met was a smile changes a life. The way we want to see Bulldog smile this year is made possible by the support of Clovis Family Dentistry. We are excited. Apologize that I'm cutting out. But we are excited and really looking forward to what the future of this partnership holds.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Tim. It's a huge honor. We just want to sign our official. Tim, we need you one more time, my friend. You brought this for us. Thank you, everyone, for this.
My pleasure to introduce someone who's working hard to represent our voices. Please welcome congressional candidate, Please welcome Assemblyman Jim Patterson, who's here to celebrate this special occasion.
They going to Congress already? To represent this area, to represent Clovis Family Dentistry, and to be invited to present what we call around our office the really big reso. This is the #1 Class A resolution. The gold seal, the embossment, the resolution, and then all of the language. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 paragraphs. And I'm not going to read them all, but I'm going to translate just a bit. Wow, look what you've done. We all recognize it. It's terrific what you're doing, and we wish you the best, and that's why we're here. We're cheerleaders for you. A couple of points. With respect to with Fresno State. I'm a Fresno State alum. And my guess is after the game at Michigan, we might have a few defensive members who need dental work, you think?
And I just want to let you know, we were in the field on that day. We watched the game from the field.
Wonderful. Yeah. And number two, to know that you care about our veterans. And we see so many veterans who have sort of fallen through the cracks. And some of the basic needs are wanting. And for you to step forward and have the dental camp, and then on Veterans Day, and making sure that veterans in our community that need to get their teeth fixed, that's life-changing for people honestly, I've seen advertisements for dentists who say the mouth is the pathway to the rest of the body, and you have a tough time with teeth. You might have a tough time with a lot of things in the body. But it's my pleasure to be able to present this big resolution, particularly because of what you're doing with Fresno State and what you're doing with our veterans. It means a lot to have people who are successful, but it also means a lot for us to have those successful people have big hearts, caring hearts, for community and for people who are kind of left behind and need the special treatment that dentists can give to them. So congratulations on the 2 years. We wish you many, many more. And that is for you. And I hope that when you hang it on the wall someplace and you walk by, just know you have a friend up in Sacramento, at least until the end of this year.
And then one more with me. Yeah. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Thank you.
My wife always tells me, don't try to make a joke, Jim, okay? But one of the things I was really tempted with Yomi here was to come up and go, yo, me. But I appreciate the technology and the best of the best. And congratulations on these 2 years. And thank you for inviting me to be a part of this. And say thank you on behalf of the veterans, on behalf of Fresno State, on behalf of your patients. You're good to them, and that means a lot to me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Pettis. I feel like now I get a sense of humor to an assemblyman because I made that same joke. But thank you so much, Mr. Pedersen. Now it's my pleasure to introduce Congressional candidate for District 21, Michael Meher, to share a few words with us today. We're thrilled to have Clovis Chamber of Commerce here with us today. They have been a tremendous support to local businesses like ours, and we're excited to hear from them. Please have an applause.
Thank you very much. My name is Greg Newman. I'm the CEO of the Clovis Chamber, and thank you for being here to help to celebrate this fantastic addition to Clovis, a robot that does dental work. So we're thrilled. We're the first in the valley, right, to have, second in the valley to have this robot, and we're just hello. So congratulations and thank you. I do have a couple certificates from some other dignitaries, so I would like to bring up Jenna Welch. Jenna represents State Senator Shannon Grove's office, and she has a certificate for you.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is State Senator Shannon Grove, and we have a certificate here to commemorate this fantastic robot that we have in Clovis and to celebrate your 2nd anniversary. So on behalf of Senator Shannon Grove, congratulations. We're so happy to have you in our community and the dedication to your patients. So thank you very much.
One more. Ready? We'll wait. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful.
Okay, thank you very much, Jenna. Dr. Singh, don't wait, there's more. Come on back. We also have a certificate from Congressman Vince Fong's office. So he wanted to send his best wishes also and commemorate this occasion with you. Thank you very much on behalf of the Clovis Chamber. Welcome to our Chamber family. Welcome Yomi to our Chamber family, and we wish you the best of success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Greg and Jenna. Next up, we have Dr. Katie, who is one of her favorite mentors.
I'm truly honored to be here. It's a pleasure that I cannot express in words. I've seen this gentleman in the time that he was working very hard, trying to make his living. It's very difficult to put in words how he's worked hard all along with one focus, committed to his family, committed to his aims that he wants to be successful. And he's always done the right thing. He's never taken a shortcut. He's always stayed focused all the time that I've known for many, many years now. Before he went to the dental school here, before he graduated, and after he graduated, the only thing in his mind was to do good work hard, take care of people. He never came across a person who wanted to cut a corner or do something wrong or just to go ahead in life. Never. So I really respect him for all his character, for all his hard work. He's an inspiration for many. As many people know about how hard it is for an immigrant to come, work hard and be successful. He has made it. He has made it, and I have no doubt that he will continue to be more successful. And having Dr. Sharma join him, it's a wonderful addition. They have a very good chemistry, a working chemistry. They work very good professionals. And it's so nice to have this support for one to each other. And his family, all his family, is always with him. And it's very, very inspiring. I'm very happy for you. Thank you so much for bringing everybody here, bringing me here. And Yomi is probably just one of the few technologies that he's bringing it here and making use, the best use he can, helping veterans, helping so many other things that he's done. He was involved in camps, community health center camps, even before he became dentist. I've heard so many good things from every camp he went. He was committed, dedicated, working towards making difference in people's lives. So I'm very proud of you as a colleague. Thank you. Congratulations.
Singh is one of the most wonderful leaders that I have gotten the chance to work with and be under. Sorry, I'm just winging it. But Dr. Singh has a vision that's just spectacular, and everybody in the team loves him. We really enjoy working at the office, and the energy he brings to the office, it's just very infectious. I am very fortunate to have been a part of this office for about 9 months now. And, pardon? What? Time is flying, yes. But thank you so much, Dr. Singh, for every opportunity that you've given each of us. And take it on from here. Dr. Singh.
I'm speechless after you close your pod. But yes, thank you everyone to being here today. It's a great honor to stand here as we officially opening the Robotic Dental Implant Center in Clovis. And we are officially announcing our partnership with great team Fresno State Athletics. We're proud to be official dentist of Fresno State Athletics from last 3 weeks onwards. And it was an honor for us that me and Dr. Sharma, we got a chance to visit Michigan last week for the opening game of the Bulldogs. And all thanks to the great organizers that we were able to go to the field and we watched a quarter from the field. It was my first time ever watching a football game. So was Dr. Sharma's. But thanks to Tim, thanks to everyone, now we know how to play football. And thank you again. Your presence here is a huge testimony that you guys are supporting our vision. You guys are supporting us to make this thing become a reality. First and foremost, I want to extend my gratitude for the following dignitaries to be here today. Thank you, Mr. Jim Patterson. Being here means a lot to us. And thank you for your golden words. Mr. Michael Meher, thank you so much for being here today. Purwan Singh Sidhuji, thank you so much for you as well. Clovis Chamber of Commerce delegates, we'll be very honored for all of your team. You came here today. Delegates from Shannon, Senator Shannon Grove's office. Delegates from Congressman Vince Fong's office. Dr. Abhi Thakkar. Delegate from Fresno Madera Dental Society. Delegates from Fresno State University. We're very, very thankful to you. Instarisa team members, Alyssa, Damien, Robot, and everybody from Yomi. Our media partners, Sanjeev Ji, Punjabi Radio USA. Thank you so much for all being here as well. I also want to extend my gratitude to our incredible team. Guys, without you, we are nothing. Your hard work and passion have truly made a difference. This achievement is a direct result of creativity, perseverance, and the team spirit. I'm deeply appreciative of everybody's effort here. I also want to acknowledge the support of our great patients who have put the trust in us, in our vision, in our goals, and they have voted us to win Fresno Bee Best of Central California Dentist title back-to-back in 2 consecutive years. Outside the wall, we have 2023 winner and 2024 winner hanging titles. There are few words in our religious anthem that I want to share with all of you today. Those words drive me, I won't say word crazy, but yes, I will say crazy towards future. It drives me, it gives me the motivation, the passion, the everything. I will translate as well after I read in the original language. Our religious anthem says, Deh Shiva bar mohi eho, Shubh karman te kabahu na taro, Na daro arsyo jab jaye laro, Nischay kar apuni jeet karo. These lines are written on the back of my car as well. Translate that in English. It says, Dear God, grant me the blessing with that I never deviate from doing good deeds, that I shall have no fear of anything when I go to any battle, and with a strong determination I accomplish the victory all the time. So we are determined to win here. We are here for the Central Valley. Thank you.
I'd like to present you with the ribbon. Congratulations.
Mr. Clovis.
I love that.
Mr. Clovis. Mr.
right.
Clovis Chamber.
Mr. Clovis Chambers. All right, I got mine. Out, so other people come in.
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਰੇਡੀਓ USA ਦਾ ਜੋ ਅੱਜ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਡਾ ਇੱਕ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਕਵਰੇਜ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਸਾਡਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਜੋ ਸੀਗਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਜੋ ਰੋਬੋਟਿਕ ਟੈਕਨੋਲੋਜੀ ਇੰਪਲਾਂਟ ਪਲੇਸਮੈਂਟ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸੈਂਟਰਲ ਕੈਲੀਫੋਰਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ। ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਲੋਵਿਸ ਚੈਂਬਰ ਆਫ ਕਮਰਸ ਅਤੇ ਅਸੈਂਬਲੀਮੈਨ ਜਿਮ ਪੈਟਰਸਨ, ਕਾਂਗਰੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਕੈਂਡੀਡੇਟ ਮਿਸਟਰ ਮਾਈਕਲ ਮੇਹਰ ਅਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਡੈਲੀਗੇਟਸ ਜੋ ਸਿਟੀ ਆਫਿਸਿਸ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਸੀ, ਅੱਜ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਰਲ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਨਾਗਰੇਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਓਫੀਸ਼ਲੀ। ਔਰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਇੱਕ ਓਫੀਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਪਾਰਟਨਰਸ਼ਿਪ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਫਰੈਜ਼ਨੋ ਸਟੇਟ ਐਥਲੈਟਿਕਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਪਣੀ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਫਰੈਜ਼ਨੋ ਸਟੇਟ ਐਥਲੈਟਿਕਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਟੀਮਾਂ ਦੇ ਓਫੀਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਟੀਮ ਡੈਂਟਿਸਟ ਹਾਂ ਪਿਛਲੇ 3 ਹਫ਼ਤਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ, ਅਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੋ ਪਾਰਟਨਰਸ਼ਿਪ ਦੀ ਅੱਜ ਓਫੀਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਅਨਾਊਂਸਮੈਂਟ ਸੀ ਸਾਡੀ, ਅਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਥੈਂਕਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਗੈਸਟਸ ਦਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਵੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਹੋਰ ਖੂਬਸੂਰਤ ਬਣਾਇਆ। ਅਤੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੁਝ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਚਾਹੋਗੇ?
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਜੀ, ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਾਣ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਆਫਿਸ ਦੇ 2 ਸਾਲ ਪੂਰੇ ਹੋ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਆ। ਅਸੀਂ 2 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਕਲੋਵਿਸ ਤੇ ਫਰੈਜ਼ਨੋ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਪੇਸ਼ੈਂਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਰਵ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ, ਅਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਈ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਔਨਰ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਫਰੈਜ਼ਨੋ ਸਟੇਟ ਬੁਲਡੌਗਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਪਾਰਟਨਰਸ਼ਿਪ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, ਅਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਐਥਲੀਟਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਅੱਗੇ ਸਕਸੀਡ ਕਰ ਸਕਣ, ਅਤੇ ਵੀ ਆਰ ਦੇਅਰ ਆਫੀਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਡੈਂਟਲ ਪਾਰਟਨਰਸ।
ਅੱਜ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਡੇ ਲਾਈਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ, ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਮਾਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਦਿਨ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿ ਮੇਰੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਹੋਣਹਾਰ ਬੇਟੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸਰਦੀਪ ਜੋ ਕਲੋਵਿਸ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਡੈਂਟਿਸਟਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਸਫਲਤਾਪੂਰਵਕ, ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਢੰਗ ਨਾਲ ਚਲਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ, ਜੋ ਪਿਛਲੇ 2 ਸਾਲ ਤੋਂ ਫਰੈਜ਼ਨੋ ਬੀ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਬੈਸਟ ਡੈਂਟਿਸਟ ਤੇ ਚੁਣਿਆ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ। ਅਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਮਾਈਲਸਟੋਨ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹੋਏ, ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਸਟੈਪ ਅੱਗੇ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹੋਏ, ਨਵੀਂ ਤਕਨੀਕ ਯੋਮੀ ਜੋ ਹੈ ਰੋਬੋਟ, ਉਸ ਦੁਆਰਾ ਜੋ ਸਰਜਰੀ ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਜੋ ਕੰਮ ਹੈ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਆ, ਪਰ ਅੱਜ ਰਸਮੀ ਤੌਰ 'ਤੇ ਉਸ ਯੋਮੀ ਦਾ ਉਦਘਾਟਨ ਸੀ। ਸੋ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਾ, ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਖਾਸ ਡਿਗਨਿਟੀਜ਼ ਜੋ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਈਆਂ, ਸੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਜਾਣ ਕੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ। ਅਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਇਸ ਬੇਟੇ, ਹੋਣਹਾਰ ਬੇਟੇ 'ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਫਖਰ ਕਰਦਾ, ਮਾਣ ਕਰਦਾ, ਔਰ ਪਰਮਾਤਮਾ ਅੱਗੇ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਦਿਨ ਦੁੱਗਣੀ ਰਾਤ ਚੌਗਣੀ ਤਰੱਕੀ ਬਖਸ਼ੇ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਜੀ।
ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਰੇਡੀਓ USA ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਰੋਤਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ। ਅੱਜ ਬੜੀ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਵਾਲਾ ਦਿਨ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਅਜੀਜ਼ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸੁਦੀਪ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਡੈਂਟਿਸਟ, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਵਿਲੱਖਣ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਟੈਕਨੀਕ ਆ ਉਹ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਡੈਂਟਿਸਟਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਲਈ ਤਾਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਪ੍ਰਾਊਡ ਵਾਲੀ ਮੂਮੈਂਟ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ ਪੂਰੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਲਈ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਪ੍ਰਾਊਡ ਵਾਲੀ ਅੱਜ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੂਮੈਂਟ ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਕਿ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਮਾਜ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਾਥੀ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਬੱਚੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ, ਉਹ USA ਦੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਇੰਨੀਆਂ ਤਰੱਕੀਆਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ।
ਇਸ ਤਰੱਕੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸਰਦੀਪ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਯੋਗਦਾਨ ਆ, ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੇਰੈਂਟਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਅੰਕਲ ਸ਼ਿਵਚਰਨ ਜੀ, ਸਾਡੇ ਆਂਟੀ ਜੀ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਸਦਕਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸਰਦੀਪ ਆ ਉਹ USA ਦੀ ਧਰਤੀ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਐਡੀਆਂ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਮੱਲਾਂ ਮਾਰਨ ਦੇ ਯੋਗ ਹੋਇਆ। ਸੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਇਹ ਪੂਰੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਸ਼ੁਭ ਮੌਕੇ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ, ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਪੂਰੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਸਰਦੀਪ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਲਈ। ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ।
ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ।
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਫॉर ਕਮਿੰਗ।
ਰੱਬ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਤਰੱਕੀਆਂ ਦੇਵੇ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ, ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਖੁਸ਼ੀਆਂ ਮੰਨਦੇ ਰਹੋ, ਤਰੱਕੀਆਂ ਮੰਨਦੇ ਰਹੋ।
ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਡਾਕਟਰ।
ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ